Hello po everyone, this is Maria Jingle and thank you for watching my video. Today I am going to make eggplant omelette, tortang talong in Filipino. I am going to show you my version on how to make tortang talong. At this point, I have already poked each one of the talong using the fork, side by side, up and down, and make sure you do that, because or else they can burst to open inside the oven. The oven is setting for 425 degrees, and the talong will stay there for 15 to 20 minutes until it's ready. So it's been about 15 minutes now for 425 degrees. This is ready. As you can see, this is all ready. So I'm gonna take out my eggplant. I have all the eggplant out from the oven and I'm gonna let them cool off for a bit before I take off all the skin. So I use 2 eggs in every eggplant. And beat it. For seasoning, for my 8 eggs mixture, I use 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, a generous amount of garlic powder, which you can opt out if you don't like garlic powder or any garlic smell. However, you can put any seasoning that you like to mix in to this egg mixture. Then I put black pepper, not too much. I did say that every eggplant use 2 eggs, and I did have 5 eggplants and I only have 8 eggs. I would advise that you use 2 eggs every eggplant, medium-sized eggplant, because the more egg you have, it's the better, because the eggplant will absorb all the egg mixture and then it makes it more meatier. Mix it very well and incorporate all the seasoning to the egg, because sometimes, because of the consistency of the egg, the thick consistency, sometimes it becomes difficult to mix them really well. At this point, I usually taste my egg mixture, and it was a blend, so I added a touch of salt to make it give it a more flavor, although this is not salty. Okay, I'll set that aside. I will peel the eggplant. See how easy it would be when you put it in the oven instead of grilling them? I like the result better in the oven. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'm trying to make a healthier version of cooking. And yeah, don't we all like? we all. So, right here. See, this is 425 degrees, and it's easier to peel when it's ready. This is about 15 minutes inside the oven, and look at that. You just need to freak the skin of the eggplant so the heat can come in, or else it will burst. Okay, there we go. Most of karamihan ng mga Pilipino love tortang talong. Here we go. So I'm mashing the eggplant. To all my non-Filipino viewers, this is Filipino dish that I am making. There you go. And then what I do is I let this eggplant absorb this egg mixture. All the flavor goes in. About 5 minutes. Let's just wait. It's time to fry. Just like that. That's all you need. Just like that. Okay. I am now in a medium-high heat. Here's my eggplants that have been soaking, absorbing all the egg. Okay, I'm doing that like my ladle is digging in an eggplant because I'm putting extra egg mixture, and that will make my tortang talong more meatier. That's extra egg mixture on top, both eggplant, and then you cover this for about 2 to 4 minutes until the eggplant absorb all the egg mixture. This is medium heat. Okay, I'm checking on my eggplant right now. If sometimes it sticks on my pan, and I want to make sure it doesn't stick on my pan, so it's easy for me to turn it over to other side. And this is on medium heat still. See, I'm moving it because I don't want it stuck on my pan. This is how I turn it. Just like that. So I just turned them. See that? And you just cut them, because this is 2 eggplant, right? Just cut them like that here. There we go. And let's wait. So this is the finished product. This is my version of a healthier eggplant omelette tortang talong. This is a very tasty recipe, meaty, and very affordable. You just need eggs, and eggplant, and voila, you have a very, very delicious meal. Pair it with steamed rice, of course. Thank you so much for watching. This is Maria Jingle, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so you will be notified on my new upcoming videos. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay!